And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:42 this morning, and this is what you call a winter mess. We've got all precipitation types represented across Virginia, Ohio, and now starting to push into Pennsylvania right now. Rain, pink, freezing rain, purple, some sleet, and then in that shade of blue and white, that is snow. And so it is a situation where some places are briefly seeing snow, followed by sleet, followed by freezing rain, and then just plain rain. This is because of a warm front that's lifting to the north, but running into colder air that's causing snow, but then the rain following it. And this is going to continue into the northeast today, making for some pretty hazardous driving conditions. We have ice and snow. It is just a mess. But then you have Texas, and we're high and dry right now. There are just some upper level clouds that are working into the western part of the state, and those will work over us as well today, but very wispy clouds, no thick cloud cover today. There's going to be a lot of sun, low humidity, and though it's very cold this morning with some temperatures near freezing, especially in northern Hidalgo and Starr County, and 30s everywhere, we will be seeing a pretty quick warm up. But you can only warm up so much when you start out this cold. Notice this is what the model's showing, some of those higher level cirrus clouds working over us, but again, they're very thin clouds that are not going to slow down the warming process very much. So I do think we're going to make it to the upper 60s this afternoon. In many locations, we might even see the low 70s from western Hidalgo County out into Starr County. Again, kind of a cool day, below normal for this time of year. Normally we're around 80 degrees. Instead, we're going to be mainly in the upper 60s. Now tomorrow morning, low 40s. So though it's going to be cold, not as cold. We're already a little bit warmer this morning than yesterday morning. It's going to be a little bit warmer still tomorrow morning. No worries about freezing temperatures tomorrow, so we don't have to talk about covering the plants and all the freeze preps that we've been talking about. But still, very cold in the morning. But, man, it's going to be fantastic in the afternoon tomorrow. Mid-70s, low humidity. Once again, a whole bunch of sunshine. I think as the day goes on, we'll start to see a few more clouds move in. But even as we go into Friday evening, we're still looking at mostly clear skies, no chance of rain. Temperatures will fall pretty quickly once again Friday night, and eventually we'll see some lows in the mid-50s. Kind of a chilly night, but not as cold, so looking a little better for Friday night. You know, we might want to enjoy all this sunny weather because if you look at the 7-day forecast, it's kind of 50-50 with a whole bunch of sun and then a whole bunch of clouds. And this is looking at rainfall for the next 7 days. Notice we highlight the northeast and then a bunch of light rain in many locations. We have to mention California. They're expected to stay dry for yet another week, so no relief for the wildfires out there, the folks suffering from those wildfires. And then you have to talk about South Texas. Well, we're going to be one of the wetter places in the country over the next week, but not for the next few days. But starting Saturday night, that's when our rain chance returns, and then the rain chance is going to stick around for a while. Now, this is looking at the latest forecasted rainfall total, according to the model, as much as 3 inches in parts of Willacy County, but then you could have as little as around a ½ an inch out in Starr County. So it does look like bigger rain totals over the next week, for the next 7 days, to the east near the coast, and smaller totals out to the west. What will need to be determined is how many see these bigger rain totals and how many see these smaller rain totals. Right now we're leaning towards more staying on the low side, a ½ an inch to an inch of rain being more common than those 3-inch totals, but it is a possibility. So things are looking wet after we get past Saturday. In the short term though, and no chance of rain today. Sunny skies, highs around 68. Very cold this morning, but cool this afternoon, and very light winds, only around 5 miles per hour. Light winds again tonight. Clear skies, lows will reach around 43. Won't rule out some patchy fog late tonight, early tomorrow morning, but no widespread dense fog around there. And then 75 tomorrow afternoon with sunny skies, partly cloudy during the day Saturday, but late Saturday night the rain chance returns, and then good chance of rain Sunday and Monday, some showers and storms. That's with a cold front that's going to be pushing in late Monday morning. We may make it to 71 early Monday, but then temperatures drop in the afternoon. 60s for our highs on Tuesday, but then we do warm back up into the 70s with a little bit of sun finally returning on Wednesday.